side of this fortress.
E tu chi sei? Che cosa ci fai qui?
I'm just a tourist.
Ehi, coniglio!
And that's Professor to you.
All right, fella. Where should I head you?
You're coming with me.
Come un pazzo, no? La gente vuole farti male che ti di mezzo. Stava per venirmi un infarto. Chiara, la diragnante comincia a caricare. Hai nulla di distanza di Vaticano, servono loro.
Here we go.
Non capisco che cosa vuole Mussolini dal Vaticano.
Pare stia cercando qualcosa che la Chiesa ha nascosto.
E il Papa ora è disposto a farci entrare? Come mai è cambiato?
Che fa te?
Molto strano. Aiutatelo!
What's this? Il Popolo d'Italia. Mussolini's propaganda mouthpiece. This will come in handy. Which locks do you open? Letter from a Vatican priest. Don't turn around. dreams, fella.
Non occupiamo niente. Ospiti di padre Ventura, amico del duce.
Ah, sì. Giusto. Beh, io di quello non mi fido. È una serpe.
Attento a come parli di lui. Se certe parole arrivassero alle orecchie sbagliate.
Temo solo che potrebbe diventare un incubo diplomatico.
Qualunque cosa il duce stia cercando, pare che ne valga la pena.
Cosa...
Scrappy fella.
You seem pretty flimsy. Give it a rest.
Getting closer. Nice view. Nice view. Fascists shouldn't be trusted with money.
Cos'è questa roba?
Merce confiscata dal Vaticano.
Il Vaticano è un luogo sacro.
È tutto a posto. Non preoccuparti. Aspetta, cos'è stato? Forse non è...
Sei patetico.
Cosa? Tu, fermo!
That's close enough.
Sei finito! Fermati subito! Ecco dove eri finito!
Cosa...
Ma che diavolo? No, ci divertiremo.
Sorry. Not much to write home about.
Interesting note. Back to sleep, pal. Some of these peculiar markings. Two holes facing each other. What's this?
Credo di aver sentito qualcosa. Cosa?
Perché sempre a me questi incarichi noiosi? Presidiare il castello, discutere con i preti, assicurarsi che nessuno entri in Vaticano. Ma se non succede mai niente? Mi sono stancato.
There it is. The village steps.
Lights out, fella!
Indy, is that you?
We have to make haste. I just saw Father Ventura with a black shirt on his way to the Castello.
Father Ventura?
What's that?
I said, who is Father Ventura?
We call him the Men in Black. A friend of Mussolini. Practically runs the Vatican now that the Pope has taken ill. Shh, that's him.
A Benito serve altro per renderlo a proprio agio?
Il Duce non sarà mai a proprio agio dentro il Vaticano.
Capisco. Quando arriveranno i suoi ospiti?
Domani, se il vento è favorevole.
I can't hear them anymore.
I think they're gone.
Father Ventura opened the gates to the Vatican. Now the fascista are everywhere. Shameless.
Who's the guest they're waiting for?
I have no idea. Almost there. We made it, Henri!
I haven't heard that name in a long time.
How many years has it been? 19?
Since the infirmary by the Piave.
Those were dark times. Unbearable without a good friend at my side. Follow me.
Hey, Antonio.
For me?
No, that's the latest humdinger out of New York City.
Grazie, amigo mio. I think you will need some rest. Buongiorno. This American music is astounding. How do they play like that?
Ehi, che ci fate voi qui? Ventura ha detto di fare pratica per il comitato di Bellerone.
What's going on outside?
They seem to be particularly on edge this morning. I have cornetti if you want something to eat.
So what brings you to the Vatican, Indy?
I'm looking for someone. A tall fella.
Tall fellow. Well, there is Giovanni, the chef. He is quite tall, and his risotto ai funghi is...
Very tall. Like a giant. He stole something from me, and I mean to find out why.
What did he steal?
Well, a cat mummy. Very unusual for where it was found. And the thief left behind his Vatican calling card.
Vatican robber in Connecticut. That seems a bit far-fetched, don't you think? Can I see this calling card?
What do you make of this?
It looks like the sigil of the Vatican Secret Archive, but there's something different about it. Are you sure you want to investigate this, Indy?
Look, things don't add up, and it's driving me crazy. There's more to that cat mummy, and I'm not letting that giant off the hook.
Well, the only giants I heard about is from back in the 16th century. And a certain Father Crescenzo claimed to have seen the secret messages inscribed in the oldest buildings of the Vatican. He said they referenced a group of giants he called the fallen angels, hidden in the holy city. But bear in mind that Father Crescenzo was known mainly for one thing.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
Stark raving, brain-sick madness. Well, let's get you dressed like you belong here.
Oh, I remember. This symbol you showed me, I have seen it once before, in the library. Yes, in the conservation workshop. Most likely nothing, but you did say you wanted to investigate this.
It's a lead worth following.
You can put these on. I hope they fit.
Yeah, this'll do.
Perfetto, Indy. You should have become a man of the cloth.
I found another calling.
We have to be careful. Il Duce has eyes and ears everywhere, even in the Holy City.
Vi siete fatto un amico, padre?
Well, Padre Ventura, this is,
Father Gallagher from St. Joseph's, Boston.
Ah. An American. You're here to help. Antonio, he's going deaf, he says. An old war wound, I'm told.
Well, I'm just here to serve God. Aren't we all?
Ne assumete la responsabilità. Credo che il Santo Padre sarebbe in quanto contrariato se introducessimo individui discutibili nella sua città.
Naturalmente, Padre Ventura.
He's a jolly fellow.
Yes. Good luck, Indy. If you need me, I will be here, in my office.
What's this? Brascola, huh? Never tried it. Let's see if this works.
Madre di Dio, what have you found, Indy?
Secret entrance.
In my library? Where do you think it leads?
Only one way to find out.
There is a candle on the table you can use to light your way. Good thinking, Indy. Let's go inside.
All right, follow me.
Watch your step, Indy. I've been asking to have the library renovated for a very long time.
I'll be careful.
This is very exciting, Indy. My hands are shaking. I wonder who built this place and what it was for.
Whatever its purpose was, it's been abandoned for centuries.
Where are you going?
To see if there's another way past this gate.
Of course, I will stay here then. Alone. There you are.
Let me get that gate open for you.
Maybe if you pulled that chain.
Yeah, I knew that.
It's very dark. I think we need some light. It almost looks like a kind of alchemist's laboratory. Poor individuo. L'eterno riposo donna loro, o Signore, splenda adesso la luce perpetua. Riposo in pace.
Much older than anything here. Where's it from? Father Crescenzo, perhaps. His writing certainly is eccentric.
What's that on the table? What is that parchment?
You know, this might be a map of those inscriptions you talked about.
I fear this will lead you nowhere, Indy, but if you can bring me some photographic evidence of these inscriptions, we can study them together in my office without raising suspicion.
Let's say I bring you some evidence. You got a camera I can use?
No, but speak to Ernesto, the old janitor in the Vatican post office. I hear he has some special deals from the lost and found section. Here is a very special key. It will give you access to places in the Vatican only priests are allowed. Do not lose it, Indy.
I'll keep it safe.
I have to organize a proper burial for this unfortunate soul. If you need anything, you will find me in my office, Indy. What an exciting discovery, my friend. Even though I have doubts, I hope it will be of use to you.
I'm sure it will, one way or another.
Ecco il libro. Ma è troppo in alto. Non ci arrivo.
secrets in the Vatican. Must be some connection to the Catwoman. Should see about that camera, too.
La strada verrà ripavimentata a breve. Avrei potuto
Buona giornata, padre.
testa e morire. È stato così. Pare che Dio vegli.
Pensarci meglio, no? Stanno diventando sempre più arroganti. Prima hanno conquistato l'Italia, ora pensano di poter conquistare
There must be another way.
Chi vi ha autorizzato a
Indietro.
transennare
Qui
quest'area?
non si entra.
Cosa vi importa?
L'articolo 4 dei patti lateranensi afferma chiaramente che alle autorità italiane è vietato interferire con la sovranità e la giurisdizione della Sovranità. Grazie. Adesso rispondi alla domanda. L'unica autorità del Vaticano è il Papa. Odio questi fascisti.
Cos'è stato? Ma c'è qualcosa di strano.
I want to take a pass.
Forza, levagli... Non farmi ridere! Take it easy! Dritto in faccia! Ti è piaciuto?
That went easier than expected.
È da quando gli hai spaccato il naso con quella boccia che non percepisce più i sapori. Assaggiarlo non importa. Spero che si rispetti. Vorrei proprio che fossi qui in Spagna a battere i comunisti. Bene, per me è lo stesso. Non ho parlato al capitano, sai, riguardo al nostro trasferimento. Cosa no? Ha risposto che se non fosse per partecipare.
Voi due, forza, al lavoro!
Signor sì, capitano.
Finalmente. Era più di mezz'ora che discutevano. Da non crederci?
Some people just love the sound of their own voice.
Ah, an American. Yes, the fascists are... what is the word? I should not say. You have lost something, yes? Perhaps it is here in my collection?
Yeah, I need a camera. Antonio tells me you have some special deals.
Antonio sent you?
He's a friend.
Antonio is a lousy bum who cheats at cards. Goodbye.
Now just hang on. Let's work something out, huh?
I only have one camera, and it is very, very special. Quite small. Maybe this big. And you can take photos in color. Oh, so beautiful. You would need... well, it's very expensive. More than you could afford.
Look, I need to take some pictures, and there's no other camera in this place. So what do you say?
Well... This is the price you pay. I assure you, it is more than fair.
It's really that good, huh?
For this very special camera, I need fine un occhio della testa.
I'm good for now. One way or another, I'm getting that camera. I'm not the only one interested in Crescenzo. Oh, let's see here. Antonio was right. This sounds good.
Ventura darà di matto perché non abbiamo ancora finito.
Dai, chi se ne importa?
Se a uno dei camion delle camicie nere si fora una
Padre.
non lavoreremo mai
Keep
più
up the
in
good
questa
work,
città.
sir.
All'uomo in nero ci penso io. Abbaia ma non morte, ti preoccupi troppo.
E tu dovresti preoccuparti di più.
Bella giornata, vero padre?
No fooling this guy. You might think the odds are in your favor.
Non puoi niente contro di me! Sai che è finita! Dai! Più forte! Sei patetico! Dritta sul naso!
Che giornata semplicemente stupenda.
La pace sia con voi, padre.
God's grace to you, sister.
Guida automobile. I giorni devi proprio oggi. E allora che cosa suggerisci?
Che i preti non puliscono per conto loro. Pensavo fossero devoti all'ordine, divino e non.
Hanno cose più importanti di cui preoccuparsi. Hanno la testa così tra le nuvole. Buon pomeriggio!
Keep up the good work, sir.
Are you Antonio's delivery boy?
What am I delivering?
The diary of Father Crescenzo.
Is that so?
An awfully mysterious story. Father Crescenzo was an eccentric priest in the 16th century. Some say he discovered an explosive secret in the Vatican. Ah, but listen to me spending your precious time. Don't you have a book to find for me?
Yes, sister. I'll see if Antonio has your book.
Again, this Father Crescenzo.
Venga il tuo regno, sia fatta la tua volontà. In cielo, così.
St. Peter holding the keys to the Vatican.
Ho saputo che avete preso un cane.
Non posso credere che abbiate detto così a Padre Ventura.
Mi date il cambio, mi fa male il braccio.
Un po' più a sinistra. No, più a destra.
Questa è la mia biblioteca e ho il diritto di sapere che fine fanno i miei libri.
Lo so che siete duro d'orecchi, perciò ve lo ripeto. Si sospetta che alcuni vostri libri promuovono pensiero comunista. Presto le autorità competenti li passeranno al vaglio.
Oh, qui si coltiva la conoscenza. I fascisti non hanno alcuna autorità. Il Papa non sosterrebbe mai azioni del genere.
Il Papa non è qui.
You all aces? I just spoke with Sister Catherine. She mentioned a diary written by Father Crescenzo. You know about it?
I'm afraid you are too late, Indy. I had just found it when Father Ventura and his black shirts came and took half of my collection. The diary included.
It must be important. What's in this diary?
I don't know. Maybe more of Crescenzo's writings on giants and fallen angels. I had forgotten all about it until Sister Catherine brought it up.
Think. Where would they take it?
I believe they keep confiscated material in a room inside the Apostolic Palace. And there is an entrance that leads there from the sewers.
Should I ask how you know this?
You may ask, but do not expect an answer. Good luck, Henri.
You can enter the sewers through the tower of Nicholas V.